Cut yourself a few hearts out of cardstock, get a blank card, and tape those hearts right onto the front of the card. And then take a stencil brush and lightly stencil 3 different colors of paint around those pieces of cardstock, and then remove the cardstock hearts. Take a black or gray marker and draw little strings down to be balloon strings. Tie yourself a little bow and glue that right where the strings meet. The second card, cut yourself a piece of pink cardstock and scallop the edges. Draw a heart in the center and cut that out. Then take a piece of white paper and cut slits down it. Tape it to the back of your pink piece, and then cut some red strips. You're going to weave those through the white slits, alternating over-under, so that it forms a checkerboard pattern. Put a little bit of tape on the back of that, and tape it to your card. Happy Valentine!